Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello students, as per the given question, we have the values of probability of it is exposed to tuberculosis, which is equals to 0.04, and also given that probability of not exposed to tuberculosis is equals to 1 minus probability of exposed, which is equals to 1 minus 0.04, which is equals to 0.96. And the next one is probability of positive test results when it is exposed. It is 0.95, and the probability of negative test results and not exposed is equals to 0.98. So now we need to find the probability that neither of the two randomly selected people have a positive test results. So coming to the first question, where we need to solve that the probability that the first person is not exposed and test negative. So the probability of not exposed and it is negative, which is equals to probability of not exposed into probability of negative test and not exposed. So after substituting the values, it gives 0.96 into 0.98. This value results in 0.9408. And the next problem, where we need to find the probability that the second person is not exposed and test negative. So not exposed and test negative for both. So this is only for the first person. This is negative for actually both, which is equals to probability of not exposed and negative into probability of negative test results and not exposed. So this is equals to 0.96 into 0.98 into 0.98. So after calculating this, it gives 0.9920. And coming to the next bit, where we need to find the probability that neither of them have a positive test results, where probability of neither positive is equals to probability of not exposed and negative. So for this, we have value as neither of the positive. For this, we have 0.96 into 0.98 into 0.98. So this value gives 0.940608. So this is the probability value for neither positive. So let us summarize the value that we have calculated so far. For probability of not exposed and negative is equals to 0.9408, and for probability of not exposed and negative for both is equals to 0.922368, and the probability of neither positive is equals to 0.922368 when rounded to 6 decimals. So this is a summary of the values that you have calculated so far. Thank you.